Hi guys, ganito natin iluto ang ating turtle soup. Ayan na yung pagong. May black chicken dyan, at saka may pork, itong mga seeds, red dates, KG, mayroon dried yam, dried lotus root, at saka dried lily bulb. So takpan natin. Another takip. And then takpan ulit. Then i-on natin dito. Gawin natin 5 hours. Ayan, na-set na siya ng 5 hours. So, hindi na natin kailangan bantayan. Ito ang kagandahan ng double boil. Kaysa yung binuboil mo dyan sa yung long boil soup. Ito 5 hours, kusa na siyang mag-stop, then ready na. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Bye.